I wanted to show you guys how I make my homemade tzatziki. So now I'm gonna make my tzatziki. So what I use is this Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt from Costco. We just buy these containers. You get 3 big ones. So what I'm doing is I'm doing 2 containers. So I put one in here, and I'm gonna dump in this one. And then what I do is I rinse out and clean out the inside so it's nice and clean. There's no leftover. And so once I make it, then I can put them back into the containers. So I've already chopped up 2 of the little cucumbers. I make sure to take out the inside because it's too wet and makes it too moist. So we take out the inside and I just give those pieces to Charger. And so that's ready. Now I'm just going to empty the other container into here, and then we're going to start mixing. But you and me should just break it all up. You're not alone in this, but now you're on your own. Alright, so my 2 containers of Greek yogurt are in here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the cucumbers, and then I add in, I use some type of vinegar. You can use lemon juice, whatever, any type of vinegar, anything acidic. I always use apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to put in a little bit of this. I'm going to put in some minced garlic. I'm going to put some salt, and I might sprinkle in just a little bit of dry parsley just to give it. I don't put dill. I know some of my recipes call for it, but that's about it. I might put a little bit of black pepper, and that's it. So I'm going to start putting this together. But you and me should just break it all off. Go tonight, off we go tonight. The right thing to do. Can't already see you smile. Okay, so now I taste it. That's the way I do it. I don't have a recipe that I go by exact. I go by my eye, my taste. So I added my 2 containers. So now I added a little bit. I add bit by bit. So now I'm gonna add a bit more salt. A little more parsley, some fine black pepper, and I'm gonna add more garlic because I find it really doesn't have any taste. A little more, yes. Also, the more it sits, like you make it, let it sit, put it back in the fridge, the taste starts to settle in more. So it always tastes better after you've had it sit there for a little bit. Perfect. The taste is on point. So that's it. Super easy to do. You just use regular, Greek yogurt, 0% milk fat, garlic, some pepper, a little bit of parsley, salt, and some acid, and cucumbers. Don't forget the cucumbers. And that's all you need. And it's as simple as that. It doesn't take any time at all. It's really quick, and it's awesome. You make your own homemade tzatziki. You know exactly what ingredients are in it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to transfer them into these containers that have been all washed and cleaned, so you don't have that thick residue of, plain Greek yogurt. So. Okay, so there they are, 2 containers. This one, there's a little bit less, but it was actually like that because it was a container that we had already opened and we had used already a little bit from it, so that's why there's less. So there you have it. We have 2 awesome containers of tzatziki, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to have with it now. Alright, so here it is. This is going to be my lunch. I'm going to have some celery, some peppers, carrots, with my tzatziki. So that is my homemade tzatziki. Super, super, super easy. We love it. We haven't had it in a long time, so I'm really glad we made it. That Greek yogurt is super filling and satisfying.